Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the calculation of ranges. In the previous video, we went over basic range calculations. This time, we will go over some more advanced problems that aren't as easy to solve. Here, we are asked to find the range of the negative square of 5, negative 2, 3 halves, 2, 3, 7, 1 half, and 4. This problem has a square root and a couple of fractions in it. We will need to solve each of them to verify the minimum and maximum values. After that, we can subtract as normal. After simplifying each term, we can verify that the minimum and maximum values are the negative square root of 5, or negative 2.24, and 7 respectively. When we subtract those numbers, we get negative 9.24, and since the range is always positive, the range is 9.24. Here, we have a harder problem with 2 square roots to calculate alongside 4 fractions. We must calculate each of these to identify the minimum and maximum. After simplifying each term, we find that the minimum is negative 6 and the maximum is 4. Subtracting these numbers gives us a difference of negative 10, making the range 10. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.